Okay, first things first with this thing is that is certainly not code. Better, heck yeah. Mostly because, what if somebody accidentally opened that? Natural gas. The fuck? And what we are doing today is we're looking at this makeup air unit, which is older on a newer building. Thank you. So she's an older girl, and our main problem right now, damper, is open all the time. See? That damper's supposed to be shut when it's not in use. For insurance purposes, say there's a fire inside the building, the makeup air should recognize that there's a fire, there's an alarm system, and says, hey, turn off. Well, there's nothing to physically shut down the everything. The damper will never close, right? So something we gotta confirm. Oh, nice. Is it a spring return? The motor might just be seized. It's gotta be spring return, right? Alright, so L1 and L2 is supposed to have some sort of voltage to open, right? Dunk. No volts. I shouldn't have any volts anywhere because I have the damn thing on. Okay. Is it seized? Oh. Would you look at that? Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. That was so cool. Okay, so it is spring return. So that arm just lifted up. My dampers are seized. How? I'm gonna get you easy access. Nope. Okay, let's just get rid of this thing. Nice, very good, very good. And we'll just bend that out of the way. Stay there, please, thank you. And I'm going to loosen all of these off, spray them with some lubricant first, loosen them off so I can get this rod off of here, test them all individually, see which one is stuck. You know, if it's got all those warnings, it's the good shit. Oh, nice and easy, heck yeah. Okay, oh my God. Okay, so this one's loose, that's good. No problems there. Oh, it might be here though. Oh, shit. Yeah. Okay. Problems there. You're kind of stuck. You're not stuck. You're totally loose. Cool, let's take you right out. Right out, please. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so that one's good. So it pivots there. That one's good. This one's okay. This one doesn't seem to want to go anywhere. Okay, so my problem is none of the dampers, but the linkage. This right here. Don't want to move. Oh, that moves a little bit. Doesn't move at all. That moves really well. Okay. Fuck yeah. I love that smell when it turns on. Yeah. Yeah. Percussive maintenance. Whoa. Whoa, she moved. Yeah, there we go. Oh shit. Fuck yeah. Oh. Oh. It lives. After a fuckload of wailing on it, it lives. Not very well, mind you. So I'll do it back and forth a bunch of times, apply some more spray, put the rod back in, turn it on and make sure it opens and closes. Yes! Customer supplied goodness. What? What? Oh, right. Apparently, if you fuck the hole too much, the rod don't fit through the hole no more. Yeah! Let's go. Hello. Goodbye. Hello. Goodbye. Ah, you just gotta work it, you know? Just gotta work it. Get your mind out of the fucking gutter. Good enough, it's just to keep the birds out. I see you move pretty good, pretty good. We're gonna attach you together. There we go, we're connected. On. And on. Let's see what you got. Power right now? Nope. That's another thing that I don't like about this is there's no wiring diagram. I assume since this is the newest portion, white is likely neutral. Maybe 3 and 5 is power? Let's see. Between 3 and 5 is probably the on-off switch. Okay, yeah, let's jump that out and see what happens. Nothing exploded. Oh yeah! That's so cool. Look at this thing go. Look at it go. So cool. Oh, it hit its end switch. Fan motor turned on. Look at those dampers opening. Oh, that air feels good, let me tell you. Go, 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 go. Go! Go! Okay, okay. You're working this time. We'll test it 3 times. How's that sound? That's 2. That's 3 motherfuckers! Woo! That's a Gears of War reference. Gears of War 2. Very niche. Fun fact, the voice actor that did Marcus Phoenix is also Jake from Adventure Time and Bender from Futurama. So we're done there. But another problem is the wiring. So I wanted to do a wiring diagram and see what we can see with this. So I'm going to trace wires, see where they go, see if I can make sense of all of it. It really doesn't seem... It's really not that complicated. So we'll just... Oh yeah, look at my notes. I forgot I did these. So when I take notes, I doodle, because my ADD doesn't fucking let me sit still. Yeah, this was a Viessmann course. I was learning to draw. Yeah, that was Drew! Man, he was awesome. Yeah. Blank page. Perfect. Okay, so the wiring diagram is going to look something like this. Here we go. I had to take apart a couple things. See where the wires go to and come from. But basically, this is a really shitty draft of a wiring diagram, and I ran out of space, so I also had to do some more here. Yeah, so this is, if it's minus 35 outside and somebody's over here beside the fucking wall and having a rough go, I'm gonna make that look better and put this in the unit for troubleshooting. Woohoo! Questions from the audience. How long did that take me? 20 minutes, maybe half an hour at most to get the rough draft done. The nicer copy is gonna take a bit more time. There we go, final draft. We're gonna print it off, slap it in the unit, call her good. Done.